So friends, to make this recipe we need the following ingredients. First we need papaya, potato, carrot, tomato, onions, green chilli. I've taken some parsley leaf, garam masala whole, butter, ginger garlic paste, and half kilo chicken I have taken, oregano and white oil. Instead of oregano you can even use mixed herbs. So these are all the ingredients which we need to make chicken stew, which is extremely healthy recipe. Also we need black pepper for seasoning. Friends, first we need to take a karai in which I am going to add 4 tablespoons of refined oil, and in this oil I will add whole garam masala, now I will add half cup of chopped onions. I have taken medium sized 1 onion. We don't need to do deep fry. After that I will add tomato cubes, slightly we have to saute. Now I will give the ginger garlic paste in it. Next I am going to add the vegetables one by one. Potato, papaya and carrots. So as we all know, papaya is having digestive enzymes. It's very good for our liver and it's very good for our health. And as well as the carrots are fully loaded with vitamins. So it is really a very nice broth and it's very yummy stew and extremely healthy for children in the growing stage. And after adding green chilies, I'm adding the carrots. One by one I will add salt, pinch of turmeric powder and pinch of red chili powder in it. It is optional. If you don't like the taste of turmeric, you can only give salt. Now we'll add the chicken pieces in it and saute it gently. So I have taken big pieces. If you want, you can use boneless chicken also. Now I will add some parsley leaves and saute it for some time. After mixing the chicken and vegetable nicely, we are going to give oregano. Oregano gives a fresh flavor to the stew, and if you like you can even add mixed herbs, basil powder. It's optional. We need to mix it well in medium. To add some water, around 2 cups of water I am giving, and let the vegetables and chicken boil in it for 20 to 25 minutes in medium flame. make the gravy thicker, we need to add some cornstarch water. I've taken around 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1 cup of water to make the gravy thicker. Now I'm going to cover it with lid and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes in low flame. Once it is boiled, I'm going to add some butter in it. Butter will help to enhance the flavor further. Next, I'm going to add some black pepper in it, friends, because black pepper and butter both give very nice flavor to the stew. Once it is boiled, I will serve it in a serving bowl, and I'm going to garnish it with parsley leaves. Do not use coriander leaves because parsley leaves tastes better in a stew. And as you can see, it's looking so colorful and it really tastes yummy and smells very nice. So please try this at home, enjoy with your friends and family. It's really healthy and tasty, and you can easily have it with bread, steamed rice or chapati. It's a very good option, healthy option, and definitely must try at home. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with more new recipes for you all. Till then, all of you